Make a great choice today with the 2019 Cherokee. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.2-liter engine, and comes with a 9-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, speed control, rear window defroster, rear window wiper. Inside you'll find Sirius satellite radio, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, tilt steering wheel, overhead console, panic alarm, passenger vanity mirror, cloth bucket seats. Come see the car for yourself.